Hey guys, welcome back. If you drive a Hyundai Elantra, you might have seen that electronic parking brake or EPB warning light on your dashboard. It can be frustrating when it stays on, especially after brake work or out of nowhere. Today, I'll show you why resetting your EPB matters and how you can do it at home. The EPB keeps your car safely parked by engaging the rear brakes electronically. Sometimes, after maintenance or just regular use, the system gets confused and triggers a warning. Ignoring the warning could mean your parking brake isn't working right, which is a safety risk. Resetting recalibrates the system after brake jobs and clears false alarms. You don't need fancy tools, just basic ones from your garage. We'll go step by step to get your EPB working perfectly again. Before we start, safety first. Park your Elantra on a flat surface, never on a hill. Close all doors and check your battery is fully charged. If your battery's weak, connect a charger before you begin. Sit in the driver's seat, buckle up and press the brake pedal. Keep your foot there the whole time. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. With a key, turn 2 clicks forward. With push button start, press twice without your foot on the brake. Now you're ready for the reset. It's time to reset your electronic parking brake, or EPB, and get your Hyundai Elantra back to smooth operation. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your system is properly recalibrated. First, locate the EPB switch. You'll find it right next to the gear lever on your center console. It's usually marked with a P symbol and might be illuminated if the brake is engaged. Now press your foot firmly on the brake pedal. With your foot held down, pull up on the EPB switch and keep it held for a full 10 seconds. You should hear the motors inside the brake system activating. This is completely normal and means the system is responding. After holding up, immediately push down on the EPB switch and hold it for another 10 seconds. Again, listen for the motor sounds. These indicate the system is adjusting and learning the new brake positions. This up and down sequence is what recalibrates your EPB. It essentially teaches the system the correct positions for both engaging and releasing the brake, ensuring optimal performance and safety. Once you've completed both holds, simply release the switch. There's no need to rush. Let the system finish its cycle before moving your hand away. And just like that, you've completed the reset. Your EPB should now be fully recalibrated and ready for use. This quick maintenance step can help prevent future issues and keep your parking brake working smoothly. To recap, foot on the brake, pull up and hold for 10 seconds, push down and hold for 10 seconds, then release. It's a simple process, but following it exactly is key. Finally, check your dashboard for any warning lights or messages. If everything looks normal, you're good to go. If you see any alerts, repeat the process or consult your owner's manual for further troubleshooting. After resetting, check your dashboard. If the EPB warning light is off, your electronic parking brake is likely working. Scan for any other warning lights to make sure everything looks normal. Test the parking brake by pulling up to engage and pushing down to release. You should feel a firm, responsive action each time. Listen for a smooth whirring sound from the rear wheels and watch for the brake light to turn on and off as you engage and release the brake. Repeat this a few times. If the brake works consistently and quietly, you're good. If the EPB warning light stays on, repeat the reset steps carefully, following your car's manual. Still not working? Check the battery, EPB switch, and rear caliper motor for issues. Use an OBD2 scanner to read any EPB fault codes for more detailed troubleshooting. With these checks, you've confirmed your EPB reset. Great job!